Have you ever wondered why some people seem to always attract luck and success, while others keep getting stuck in difficult cycles? Everything you believe about separation, about the limits between you and the universe, is just an illusion. This may surprise you. Science has discovered something extraordinary that few people truly understand. Everything in the universe is interconnected in ways that time and space cannot explain. There is a hidden energy field, an invisible connection, not just between subatomic particles, but also between your thoughts, emotions, and most importantly, your destiny. This means that your mind, with all the thoughts and emotions you experience, is truly shaping the reality around you in ways you have never imagined. What you are about to discover will open a new door where you can change your life forever. Imagine you are holding two identical dice. You roll one in one place, and someone else rolls the other thousands of miles away. Now, imagine that no matter how far apart they are, the result of one die always influences the other instantly. This isn't magic, but a real principle of quantum physics called quantum entanglement. This phenomenon, proven by scientific experiments, shows that entangled particles remain invisibly connected, reacting to each other even when separated by vast distances. But few people know that this principle can extend beyond the microscopic world and influence your life, mind, and energy. If everything in the universe is made of energy and fundamental particles, then your consciousness could also be subject to these same rules. This means that your thoughts, intentions, and emotions may have a much greater impact than you realize. When you understand this truth and learn to consciously use it, you can begin unlocking a hidden energy that has always been within you. But before we understand how this can transform your reality, we need to explore what actually connects your mind to the universe. Your thoughts may seem to exist only inside your head, but the truth is, they have a much greater reach than you think. Scientists and quantum physics researchers have discovered that consciousness is not confined to the brain. It interacts with the very fabric of the universe. One of the most impressive studies was conducted by the HeartMath Institute, which showed that the human heart generates a powerful electromagnetic field that can influence not just your own body, but also the environment around you. This means that your emotions and intentions can travel beyond you, impacting other people and even events. If thoughts are a form of energy and energy never disappears, where do your intentions and emotions go when you project them into the universe? The concept of quantum entanglement suggests there is a connection between all particles, including those that make up your own being. This means that when you think about something with emotional intensity, that vibration can resonate with another part of the universe, attracting situations and responses aligned with that frequency. This is why some people seem to manifest opportunities, encounters, and events by chance, while others remain stuck in repetitive cycles of struggle. The secret lies in how your mental waves interact with this vast, invisible energy field. In the early 20th century, quantum physics began to reveal a hidden side of reality. The double-slit experiment showed that light particles, photons, behave differently depending on whether they are being observed. This means that the observer's consciousness influences matter, challenging the logic of conventional science. But there is an even more impressive phenomenon: quantum entanglement. In 1935, Albert Einstein, Boris Podolsky, and Nathan Rosen proposed a theoretical experiment called the EPR paradox, suggesting that if entanglement were real, two particles could remain connected even if separated by light years of distance. Decades later, in 1982, physicist Alain Aspect proved that this was true. He demonstrated that by altering the state of one particle, its entangled partner would change instantly without any signal traveling between them. This confirmed that there is an invisible connection between particles, an interconnection field that exists beyond time and space. Now think about it on a broader scale. If everything in the universe is made of the same fundamental particles, then why wouldn't your mind, your thoughts, and your energy also be affected by this interconnection? The impacts of this phenomenon on your life are profound, and one of the biggest drivers of this interaction between your mind and the universe is your subconscious, a living antenna that constantly picks up and transmits frequencies. Your thoughts are not just internal events inside your brain. They create electromagnetic vibrations that travel through space, interacting with the energy field around you. But what's even more fascinating is that this emission doesn't only happen consciously. In fact, most of it comes from your subconscious. Research from the HeartMath Institute shows that the human heart generates an electromagnetic field that extends several meters beyond the body, and this field interacts with other energy systems, acting as a bridge between your emotions and the environment around you. And who controls most of this process? It's your subconscious. The subconscious is like a radio antenna, constantly picking up external frequencies and sending out signals based on your deepest beliefs. This means that if you have negative mental patterns stored in your subconscious will be vibrating at that frequency, attracting situations and experiences that reflect that energy. But if you learn to reprogram it, you can start transmitting a new frequency and thus radically change the events that manifest in your life. How many times have you set goals to lose weight, make more money, or build a healthy relationship, only to fall back into old habits? This happens because, while your conscious mind wants to follow one path, your subconscious has already been programmed to follow another. This is why so many people try to change their lives but feel stuck in repetitive cycles. They don't realize that their energy frequency is being determined by a subconscious mind that is still operating under an old limiting program. The connection between your inner beliefs and your external reality is a direct reflection of what quantum physics calls quantum entanglement. However, if changing your life were as simple as changing your thoughts, everyone would already be living their dream life, right? The problem is that most people don't know how to effectively reprogram their subconscious. They spend their entire lives trying to change external circumstances without realizing that the real obstacle lies within them. The good news is that there are ways to reverse this programming. Just like a computer can be updated with new software, your subconscious can also be reprogrammed with new beliefs to create a new reality. If everything in the universe is interconnected, then how exactly does this connection happen? The answer lies in entangled particles, a quantum phenomenon that challenges our understanding of reality and reveals a hidden power within us. When two subatomic particles become entangled, they remain connected, regardless of the distance between them. If one particle changes its state, the other responds instantly, as if they share the same consciousness. The most impressive part is that this communication happens without any visible physical signal, as though there is a level of information beyond space and time that keeps everything unified. Why is this important for you? Because you are made of these particles too. Your body, mind, and consciousness are part of this vast interconnection field. What quantum physics shows us is that our connection to the universe is much deeper than we ever realized. And this connection is not just theoretical, it can be activated and used to transform your life. Studies conducted by physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hamow suggest that consciousness may be linked to quantum behavior within the microtubules of brain cells. This means that your thoughts can operate in an entangled way with the universe. If your mind influences the reality around you, then what you think and feel is not just confined to your brain, but resonates in the quantum field. Your intentions, emotions, and even your worldview create waves that spread beyond you, interacting with other energies and shaping your life experience. Have you ever had a sense that something bad was about to happen without any obvious reason and then saw it unfold? Or you thought intensely about someone and shortly after they reached out to you? This is the effect of quantum interconnectedness between your mind and the external reality. If subatomic particles can communicate instantly, regardless of distance, then imagine what happens when your mind aligns with that same frequency of interconnection. Your intentions begin to manifest more quickly. You attract circumstances and people that seem to appear at just the right time. Your energy and creativity levels increase, and you feel a deeper connection with your intuition and the natural flow of life. If everything in the universe is interconnected, then your thoughts and emotions are energetic transmissions that interact with the very fabric of reality. What you feel and think doesn't just disappear inside you. This energy propagates, creating vibrational patterns that influence everything around you. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist, explains that when you generate a thought, it creates a chemical reaction in the brain, which then triggers a corresponding emotion. This emotion strengthens the thought, forming a vicious cycle. If you constantly think about failure, fear, or scarcity, your body vibrates at that frequency, and that vibration affects your decisions, behavior, and most importantly, what you attract into your life. Similarly, if you nurture thoughts of success, abundance, and gratitude, your vibrational field changes, and your reality begins to reflect this new frequency. If you found the information in this video interesting and helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss any future videos. Feel free to share your thoughts and feedback in the comments below, as we'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content from our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next videos.